What is going on, guys? It's DMZ TV. My name is Dutch. And today I have a little surprise here for you, all the way from Miami, Florida.
What's up, guys? My name is Fatima. And we have a big surprise for you. Today we're going to talk about giveaways.
Alright guys, so I'm so excited because we're going to be talking about these giveaways. But before we continue, let's go ahead and talk about Fatima.
What's up, guys? So I'm from Russia, Moscow. I'm an ex-professional tennis player and currently a tennis coach. I like to model sometimes, and I know it might not make sense that me being an athlete and smoking a hookah, but don't judge me, guys. There's a long story behind it. I started working at this very cool hookah mixology place called Bali Lounge. You guys probably heard of it, and that's where I learned about hookah industry. That's where I realized that it is not just as simple as it seems. Like, hookah mixology is a lot of hard work. You got to be a very creative person to do that, and I respect that a lot, Dutch. Like, you're really, really good.
Thank you.
So I think it's awesome. I learned how to do hookah myself, and it's just a lot of fun. I like everything that has to do with creativity, and who doesn't like to smoke hookah?
Hookah has to be fun. That's what it's all about. It's all about socializing and having fun.
Exactly.
And as you said, you're from Russia. Russia has amazing products. They're booming right now.
Yeah.
Talking about products, we actually we went with a couple of companies. We partnered with them. Now we're gonna be doing some amazing giveaways. So guys, make sure to follow us at Instagram. It's Dutch Masters TV. As long as you follow us, because there's where we're gonna be doing the giveaways, you'll know exactly what's going on. And we're gonna be doing tobacco, we're going to be doing coals, hookahs. We got a lot of great stuff coming out, so just stay tuned, guys, and you guys are going to be surprised at what we're going to have there. So Fatima, I'm really happy that you came all the way from Miami so you can be in these videos. And also, where can I find you?
You guys can go ahead and find me on Instagram at Miami and Amira.
Awesome. And also, guys, if you have any ideas about the giveaways, leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button.
And subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Also, next to the subscribe button, there's a little bell. Click that bell so you'll be notified for any new videos that are coming out in the future. So guys, it's DMZ TV. My name is Dutch.
My name is Fatima.
Until the next time, and we are...
I forgot what I needed to say.
I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? I like free stuff. You guys wanna get some free stuff? We're giving away free stuff.
Bro, this is how the narco dealers work.
Okay, let's start over.
Bloopers about bloopers is like the best part.
Yeah, okay. Sure, amazing. Dutch, I don't know how Dutch makes the hookah
Dutch
last
makes
for
it
2 hours. Like,
yeah.
it's crazy.
Like with a laugh.
Dutch, how do you do that?
Dutch is like,
Secret.
yeah, Dutch in the video is like, hey, come on guys, Dutch in the background is